Hi everyone, welcome to Canva Image to Video AI tutorial. Well friends, first of all create a project. Here you can see create button, just click on it and I'm going to select custom size. Just click custom size and here enter 1920 and for height 1080 and the unit is pixel and click this button create new design and it will open in a new tab. Okay friends, we are going to make our images to videos. So we need images. To get images, click elements. And here you are going to write what type of image do you want. I want a cow in the field. So hit search. And here you can see images, that means photos. Click select all. And friends, you can only select the free images to convert to video. No premium images. Here you can see crown. These images are premium images, but to convert to video, you need free images. I'm going to select my image. Okay, here it is. I liked this cow. Just click on it and here it is in the canvas. I'm going to resize it. Perfect. Now let's see how we can convert it. Okay, when this image is selected, you will see this bar on the top. Here you can see edit. Just click on edit. Once clicked, here you can see edit image and under here you will see popular tools. But we are looking for this tool, image to video. Okay, now click this tool to make this image video. Okay, click on it. And here you can see image to video and it has two options, smart and custom. Custom means you can write your own prompt. Okay, I'm going to select smart and here you can see if you click this button, it will make a 5-second video. Just click here and here the process is going on. You will get a 5-second video based on this image. Okay, here you can see generation complete. That's great. Now we have got a video. That video is perfect. I'm going to minimize this. And here is our video. You can see. Wow, it's real. It looks real. Just play here. Well, friends, by now we have got our video. So what we can do now? We can download this video to use in our project. Okay, to download here you can see share, click on it. And here you can see download, click on it. And it's a high quality HD video. Here it is. And click download. Congratulations, fine download. Congratulations, congrats on your first download. Here you can see download. If I click on it, and here got the video.